today, we are going to review scents from Perfume Dessert. Yes, I have here two of their new scents. I have here the dark chocolate truffles and then the matcha ole. At the back, you will see the notes. It says bergamot, uji matcha, mandarin orange, jasmine mint, orange blossom, white chocolate, milk, oak moss, and cedar. Once you open the box, it will look like this. Very relaxed ng packaging ni Perfume Dessert. So this is their 30 ml bottle. So ganyan yung itsura niya. One perfume na pwedeng dalhin sa travel, ilagay sa mga bags nyo, magaan lang. Or gusto nyo lang silang matry, perfect yung mga 30 ml. So this one is a straight up green tea scent. Like, I'm not expecting that kind of scent kasi nga matcha siya. Matcha ole. I'm expecting something like milky matcha, like the one na naiinom natin, yung mga latte scent. So wala siyang ganong notes. It's clean, it's fresh, it's slightly citrusy, but yung main accord na maamoy mo dito is yung kanyang green tea freshness. If you want a perfume that's fresh, clean, not too girly, ito yung something na masasuggest ko sa inyo. Na for my liking, medyo strong siya for me. Pero if gusto niyo yung mga ganon like grainy, crispy type of scent, ito yung recommend ko sa inyo. Also, it's an anytime scent. Like, I mean, pwede siya in any occasion, any time of the day. Pwede siya by morning, by night. Pwede siya kahit kailan. So if you're looking for something that you can give to somebody na hindi mo alam yung scent preference, I think this one is a safer buy. In terms naman of longevity, I tried spraying this and then I go on with my day. It lasted for around 2 to 3 hours. Like yung usual perfume dessert na longevity. So all in all, I can give this one a 7/10. Okay, moving on to the last one. Something that I'm super excited is this. This is the dark chocolate truffles. From the box pa lang, mako-conclude na natin kung ano yung scent niya. And if you know me, you will know na super love ko ng mga gourmand scent like chocolate, vanilla, milky scent. Kaya super excited ako when I received this one. So yung mga notes niya are dark chocolate, walnut, milk, cedarwood, cacao pod, dark chocolate, Madagascar vanilla, and musk. Everything that I love in a perfume, everything that I love in a scent. Oh my god. Upon spraying, you will get a nutty, like powdered chocolate scent. Like when you open, parang container of parang dark chocolate, di ba medyo ano siya, medyo strong yung scent niya. May slight bitterness. It's so satisfying kasi super hilig ko sa mga foodie scent na gano'n, like strong, deep, nutty, bold scent. Super, super like this dark chocolate truffle. It also smells like something na maaamoy mo when someone is baking, like when you step into a parang coffee shop or pastry shop. Like pag naamoy mo na yung aroma ng chocolate cake nila, gano'n yung maaamoy mo. Super bango, super nostalgic nung amoy niya. If you are a foodie or a gourmand girly, magugustuhan nyo to, guys. Since it's a gourmand, it's a foodie scent, I can suggest this specifically for cold weathers. Like now, super lamig kahit January na. Hindi ko alam sino ba ang may hawak ng pinto ng refrigerator at ayaw isara. Sobrang lamig. Ayan, kapag lumabas ka, mafe-feel mo talaga yung like breeze ng air, super cold, kaya perfect yung mga gantong scent. Same longevity, around 3 to 4 hours. Medyo may depth kasi yung scent na to, unlike yung kanina na very fresh and clean. Kaya I feel like factor yon na slightly nagtatagal siya, pero hindi naman ganun like kalaki yung scent longevity difference nila. But in terms of scent, I love this. So I can give this a 10/10. I love them both, but I like this better. How about you? Have you tried this scents? If yes, let me know in the comment section. Kung ano yung thoughts nyo and kung hindi pa and curious kayo, check the yellow basket.